It's over, it's over, it's over. Oh no, I've said this. Ah. It's really slippery. The wheels aren't even moving. The car owner under digestion is slow. I'm so tired. Messing with the family. You, little one, learn from this. We're all here. 123. To see this kind of thing. Otherwise, get fat. No, it's not good to change. You won't buy it? Then won't your dad play rock, paper, scissors? Ah, you play rock, paper, scissors? Put that on the bull's head. Not to the left. Hey, you're still looking at the beauty and going left. Okay, hey! It's a bit too good. Bro, watch carefully. Leading 0017 doesn't hide at all. 7 or 8 Chilang. Hey! The older brothers in front have never had it. You still dare to drive this? Dare to sell this? Can it be sold? Hey, this month's S-car owner is awesome. Everyone lined up for 1 or 2 hours to get gas. He drove in front and confronted him, demanding the gas station staff to refuel him. This US car owner is very awesome, driving a Havel. Very awesome, very awesome. Arguing with the staff. Very awesome. Everyone has been queuing. I queued for 2 hours. He just went around. Hey, awesome. This car owner is awesome. I'm recording him. Help you with the sunflower seeds quickly. You're eating. I'm telling you. I'll eat your boss. Get out of here. Did I eat? Why didn't you scold and beat you?